A lot of these horses, especially the more advanced horses, you pulling back slows them down. You pulling back drops their head. You pulling back stops them. You pulling back backs them up. How are they supposed to know the difference between all those? There's 4 buttons in one. How do they know the difference? By whenever you let go. So when I was asking her to drop her head, which she doesn't seem to do too much of, which a lot of horses don't know how to do yet. Just a second ago, 2 minutes ago, she was moving her feet backwards and backing up. Now she's just giving me her head. Well, the reason is I didn't even pay attention to her backing up. I just kept looking at her head, and even if she was already backing, when her head dropped, I released. And she said, "Oh, do you just want my head? That's a lot easier." "Yes, ma'am, that's all I want." There we go.